Fermented foods have been a part of human diets for thousands of years, and their health benefits are becoming increasingly well known. In recent years, there has been growing interest in the potential role of fermented foods in cancer prevention and treatment. While research in this area is still ongoing, there is evidence to suggest that fermented foods may have a range of beneficial effects that could help to reduce the risk of cancer and support the body's natural defenses against cancer. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 ways in which fermented foods may impact cancer prevention and treatment, and discuss the latest research in this exciting and rapidly evolving field. Whether you're already a fan of fermented foods or are curious to learn more about their potential health benefits, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the fascinating world of fermented foods and cancer. 1. Promote a healthy gut microbiome. Our gut is home to trillions of microbes, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These microbes play a crucial role in our digestive health, and research suggests that they may also impact our immune system, mental health, and even our risk of certain diseases, including cancer. One way to support a healthy gut microbiome is by consuming fermented foods, which are rich in probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms that, when consumed in adequate amounts, confer health benefits to the host. They help to maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in our gut, preventing the growth of harmful bacteria that can cause illness and disease. Fermented foods that are particularly high in probiotics include yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha. These foods undergo a process of fermentation, which involves the conversion of sugars and carbohydrates into beneficial bacteria and other compounds, such as organic acids and antioxidants. By promoting a healthy gut microbiome, probiotics in fermented foods can help to strengthen our immune system and reduce inflammation. This is important for cancer prevention because chronic inflammation has been linked to an increased risk of cancer. Additionally, a healthy gut microbiome may help to promote the production of certain compounds, such as short-chain fatty acids, that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. In conclusion, consuming fermented foods that are rich in probiotics is a simple and delicious way to support your gut health and potentially reduce your risk of cancer. By promoting a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut, probiotics can strengthen your immune system, reduce inflammation, and support overall health and well-being. 2. Reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Fermented foods have been associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer. For example, a number of studies have found that regular consumption of fermented foods, such as kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir, may be associated with a reduced risk of breast, colorectal, and stomach cancer. One possible explanation for this is the presence of certain compounds in fermented foods, such as lactic acid bacteria, that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. These compounds may help to inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells, as well as reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are important factors in cancer development. In addition, the probiotics in fermented foods may also play a role in reducing cancer risk. As we discussed earlier, probiotics help to promote a healthy gut microbiome, which can in turn strengthen the immune system and reduce inflammation, both of which are important for cancer prevention. It's worth noting that while the research in this area is promising, more studies are needed to fully understand the relationship between fermented foods and cancer risk. Additionally, it's important to remember that fermented foods should not be viewed as a cure for cancer, and should not replace other cancer prevention strategies, such as regular exercise, a healthy diet, and regular cancer screenings. In conclusion, regular consumption of fermented foods may be associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, such as breast, colorectal, and stomach cancer. While more research is needed to fully understand the relationship between fermented foods and cancer prevention, adding some fermented foods to your diet is a simple and delicious way to support your overall health and potentially reduce your risk of cancer. 3. Improve nutrient absorption. Fermented foods have also been shown to improve nutrient absorption, which is important for supporting a healthy immune system and potentially reducing cancer risk. During the fermentation process, beneficial bacteria and enzymes break down complex nutrients, such as proteins and carbohydrates, into more easily digestible forms. This can make it easier for the body to absorb and utilize the nutrients it needs to function properly. For example, fermented dairy products like yogurt and kefir contain enzymes that break down lactose, the sugar found in milk, into simpler forms that are easier to digest for people who are lactose intolerant. Fermented vegetables, like sauerkraut and pickles, are also easier to digest than their raw counterparts, making it easier for the body to absorb the vitamins and minerals they contain. Improving nutrient absorption is important for cancer prevention because a healthy immune system relies on a steady supply of nutrients to function properly. Nutrients like vitamins A, C, D, and E, as well as zinc and selenium, have all been shown to play a role in immune function and cancer prevention. By improving nutrient absorption, fermented foods can help to ensure that the body is getting all the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and fight off cancer. In conclusion, incorporating fermented foods into your diet is a great way to support your overall health and potentially reduce your risk of cancer. Fermented foods can improve nutrient absorption, ensuring that your body is getting all the nutrients it needs to support a healthy immune system. So why not add some delicious and nutritious fermented foods to your plate today? Your body and taste buds will thank you. 4. Detoxification. Another potential benefit of fermented foods is their ability to support the body's natural detoxification processes. Fermented foods are rich in enzymes, which are essential for many biological processes in the body, including detoxification. The liver is the body's primary detoxification organ, and it relies on enzymes to break down and eliminate toxins from the body. When the liver is overwhelmed with toxins, it can become less efficient at detoxification, which can increase the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. However, the enzymes in fermented foods can help to support the liver's natural detoxification processes, helping to eliminate toxins from the body. Furthermore, some fermented foods contain beneficial bacteria that have been shown to help break down and eliminate harmful substances from the body. For example, a study found that consuming kimchi, a traditional Korean fermented vegetable dish, helped to reduce levels of heavy metals like cadmium and lead in the blood of participants. By supporting the body's natural detoxification processes, fermented foods may help to reduce the risk of cancer by reducing exposure to harmful toxins. However, it's important to note that fermented foods should not be relied on as the sole method of detoxification, and that other strategies like avoiding exposure to toxins and maintaining a healthy lifestyle are also important for reducing cancer risk. In summary, fermented foods are rich in enzymes and beneficial bacteria that can support the body's natural detoxification processes, which may play a role in cancer prevention. Incorporating a variety of fermented foods into your diet is a simple and delicious way to support your overall health and reduce your exposure to harmful toxins. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. In addition to their other health benefits, fermented foods are also rich in bioactive compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to many chronic diseases, including cancer, and reducing inflammation in the body may be an important factor in cancer prevention. Fermented foods contain a variety of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, that have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. For example, studies have found that the probiotics found in fermented foods like yogurt and kefir can help to reduce markers of inflammation in the blood. Furthermore, some fermented foods contain specific compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. For example, a compound called sulforaphane, which is found in fermented vegetables like broccoli and cabbage, has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in the laboratory. By reducing inflammation and providing anti-cancer compounds, fermented foods may help to reduce the risk of cancer and other chronic diseases. However, it's important to note that fermented foods should be consumed as part of a balanced and healthy diet, and that other lifestyle factors like exercise and stress reduction are also important for reducing inflammation and cancer risk. In conclusion, fermented foods are a rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents that may help to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of cancer. By incorporating a variety of fermented foods into your diet, you can enjoy their delicious taste and reap the many health benefits they offer. In conclusion, while fermented foods are not a cure for cancer, they have the potential to play an important role in cancer prevention and treatment. The evidence suggests that incorporating fermented foods into your diet can have a range of beneficial effects, from promoting a healthy gut microbiome and reducing inflammation to improving nutrient absorption and supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. So, if you're looking for a delicious and healthy way to support your overall health and well-being, consider adding some fermented foods to your diet today. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative and engaging videos on the latest health and wellness topics.